Steve, today, what is your drink that?
I'm going to do an old fashioned. We are 2 ounces of bourbon, a teaspoon of some sort of sweetener, simple syrup. We're going to use a maple syrup. Agave syrup would work. Bitters. I use Peychaud, 2 dashes.
So it's got to be that bitters? Because I've got, I don't know, Agora.
Angostura.
Angostura
You can use
Hills.
Angostura.
Okay.
Yeah. So let's dive in. Just a simple tray for square ice.
That's what I have.
I got one in the glass, one in my little tin.
There.
Yep, I'm using the little guy. Always have your little straw with you so you can taste. You can never take the water back out from stirring. So 2 ounces. Boom.
You make it in the tin though, or are you adding the ice?
I just have 1 ice cube in there. I'm not stirring for very long. I can feel it on the outside of the tin, how cold it is. Peychaud. Boom. The Hawthorne strainer, you have more control. Nothing's flying out. Boom.
It's such a great drink because it's just like a glorified shot.
This is an assertive cocktail. Garnishes. Let's talk about them. You can do an orange twist. You can do a lemon twist. I like cherries. Traverse City. That's it. You got
There it is.
an old fashioned.
Beautiful.